Hey Adele, are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
You gonna go find some sheds?
Hopefully.
Good boy, Howie. First day on our way to South Dakota, we stopped to give Howie a break, and we went and walked in the woods, and we found this Minnesota state property. We thought, well, let's just walk around and see if we can find something on this edge of this slough or something. Sure enough, Howie comes back with a shed. Good boy, Howie. Let's go see if we can find another one. First day out at Russ's farm, we're gonna go see if we can find some sheds, check out some different spots for hunting. Maybe Howie will find some birds, work with him a little bit. So a little of everything. A lot of cow poop around here, Adele.
Yeah,
Well, it looks like they had a decent amount of snow. And we'll go underneath here, walk inside the woods here. Should we walk over there, Adele?
right alongside the...
Yep, alongside the fence. Just look around in there. Oh, there's an old buck at one time. It's been there for a while. Check this out, Adele. I found a whole deer head with antlers on it. That's old. Look kind of cool on the shed though, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Kind of neat, huh?
yeah.
Well, let's see if we can find some sheds where there's deer still alive then.
You can see it.
Yeah, that's a buck too, dang. We're finding a lot of dead antler or dead skulls around here, huh? Well, that ain't gonna work. We gotta find some sheds. We don't want to find all the dead deer. Oh, we just had a rooster up. Well, now he's birdie. He ain't gonna be looking for sheds anymore, right, Del? Look at him go. Yeah, we could spend weeks in here following these trails around. I mean, all these cattail swamps are just full of deer trails. Well, let's drop this deer head off at the truck and we'll walk that one part again. How are those chips treating you? How you doing, bud? How you doing, buddy? I'll show you something. You know the deer are in here quite a bit. See this here? It's a buck rub. Wonder how many sheds are underneath this 3 feet of snow in here. That used to looking for sheds in farm country. All these corn stalks always make me think that's a shed. Just out of the corner of my eye, I see a little bit lighter color. You boy? You ever get tired? No? You're a good dog. You're a good boy. Now, wouldn't that be nice if that was a deer trail? But it's cows. Well, this looks like a good place to take a seat. You're a mess.
It turned on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, come on, Howie.
Hey.
So we're walking towards those. Okay.
Does that hurt your noggin?
What does that mean?
Your head. Does it hurt your head?
No.
Okay. Ah, the memories. It's right here. I shot that bird. Landed over there. Oh, you retrieved it, brought it back. That's right over here. All right. I can't wait till it's bird season again, Del.
Nutrient cycling is the future of food plotting. It unlocks the potential of your hunt. If that's what you want, check out VITALIZE Seed.
Hey, Saturday morning we're gonna go and look at a new spot. Never I've never been to this spot. Looks really good. A lot of trees and a lot of cover for the deer, so maybe we'll go try that out and see what happens. There you go, sweet boy.
Is it on?
Okay, how's that?
You did?
Boy, I want to find the antlers that made that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! There we go. Look at the ground scrapes from last fall. This is unbelievable. The amount of trails I'm finding and deer sign in here, and I'm not seeing one shed.